Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about the Lamy Safari. It's a German pen which was introduced in 1980, and since then it's one of the most popular pens among the fountain pen lovers. It's made out of ABS plastic which is very lightweight and strong. The weight is 15 grams when capped and 7 grams when uncapped. The length is 139 millimeters when capped, 129 millimeters when uncapped, and 165 millimeters when posted. For a better idea, let's compare its dimensions with the Metropolitan 2SP Eco, Jinhao 750 and the Lamy 2000. The barrel has two flat sides with a big Lamy logo on one of the sides. I believe they are meant to prevent the pen from rolling on your desk. There is an ink window which helps you check the ink level. This ink window also prevents us from using it as an eyedropper pen. It has a triangular grip section which helps you in getting the right hold of the pen. It fits very well between the fingers. However, if you have a non-conventional grip or you hold the pen from here or here, then it may be uncomfortable for you. It can also help the children in learning the right grip during their initial days. It uses a steel nib which comes in extra fine, medium, and broad variants. They also come in black and steel colors. The feed is quite unique, which does not have fins, and it's so slim that it almost merges into the nib. It's a very smooth nib which glides on the paper. Let's talk about its filling mechanism. It uses proprietary cartridges and converter. When you buy the pen, you will get one converter and one cartridge in the box. I have purchased 3 Lamy Safaris in India, and the converter has always been part of the package. It's a piston converter that has 2 studs on the barrel, and they fit into the slots on the thread. Because of this, the converter stays there firmly and does not rotate when you rotate the knob. Overall, it's a good quality converter, and since the Safari uses a proprietary converter, you cannot use any other cartridge or converter with this pen. Let's talk about its cap, which is almost half the size of this pen. It's a snap cap that fits with a satisfying click. It has a wide clip that is easy to slide into your pocket. The cap gets posted firmly and the pen stays balanced even in this position. If you have big hands, then you can use the Safari in a posted position. Let's now see how the pen writes on a normal A4 size paper. For this, I am going to use the Diamine Orange ink. The Safari writes extremely smooth and you don't feel the weight of the pen at all. It writes flawlessly without skipping, even if you write very fast. This is one of my favorite pens for everyday writing. Let's try some reverse writing. The reverse side of the nib is quite scratchy and writes too fine, but it does not skip. There is no hard start even if you leave the pen uncapped for a long time. The ink flow is quite wet, that makes it glide on paper. You don't have to worry about scratch marks or damages while using this pen for everyday writing. There are a few more pens from Lamy which are quite similar to the Safari. They are the Allstar, Vista and Lamy LX. They all look quite similar, but there are a few differences. I will compare all of these in a separate video. Safari is also available in many different colors. The price of this pen is around 2500 rupees and it is easily available online and offline. I have shared the links in the description from where you can buy this pen or check its price. I have used this pen for more than 2 years and based on my experience, I have shared all the aspects in detail. I hope this video would have helped you. If yes, then please comment and let me know. Thank you for watching.